One almost like I say, for instance, sanitation. While we are Juma, we will get our for and you see, they work around the clock mostly for Zoom Lion. We are mere Juma day, we are mere Juma night. And another thing is why men send this for a confuse here the difference between night economy and a 24-hour economy. There are some institutions, and I said there are some companies and I don't want to meet my age.
Okay.
And I give an example like clubs. I'm on be 9 clubs. And I don't want to meet my age.
Yeah.
What do you say? So I'm former rental must face in your program during the day. Officially, club no pretend.
Yeah.
And as Zuba being a former MC in what we mean by night economy. Those things no. What I say? So that is very different from a 24-hour economy. 24-hour economy, a production, a call around the clock.
Yeah.
And the question Uncle Phobia say, when we cry when Tinya share in maintaining or providing electricity for 8 hours, how can you provide for 24 hours? When Tinya share ama productivity and Kosuye, Mam use Akoma FM as an example. First of all, a general manager. Now there's a lot of inefficiency. Your bed Juma machines adundun. Your bed Juma and Kofa dida. What means Shaman Kofa your Juma 8 hours ye? Was it a Mama 24 hours? And they give this simple deal, a incentive program. You be supplying Kofa with funds and go for on a need basis. Funds majorly say a loan to the mom. Yes, sir. Yeah, the more me to scan back. Electricity. Wait. The post question is say, these are things and you never say. In the Fourth Republic, from Rawlings through to Kufuor, there's been a formalized way of buying equipment loans. What do I say? A buying stimulus packages. We saw it under Mills Mahama, we saw it under Kufuor, we are seeing it under Nado. What makes this one different? Okay, so I say that we are now trying to formalize the process. No, I say, what exactly in this makes it formalized? And you I said they are skirting around the issue. So, and then you know, and your more say in Yasser, you war in Ghana. A free market economy you operate you. For instance, a year Metro Mass as okay. Wait my Metro Mass one thing. But be from Makofa a year STC. Or be from Makofa VIP.
It's about the type of service you are providing.
Exactly. What you say? It's a fan will say over these incentives because over 2 new buses are come Metro Mass. If and for a VIP, it wouldn't change it much. That is what that's a point that make and everyone you may create artificial demand. The same can earlier. We might create artificial demand. Yay! No good. Mam you so artificial demand and an example game. Okay, 2016 elections, Calipo. Say the Calipo after now the conum be nipa nyina to go so. After elections, that's demand no a form. And so they take produce booma. And what NDC proposed, if care is not taken, they will end up even collapsing businesses in the medium term to short term. Business be a Kofi, what I will share for pa. As a produce 10 Akoma FM workers. As a semester incentive, first I'm producing 8 hours. I'm producing 10. Say me I could produce 24 because I have 3 windows. So 24 I could produce. Me back Akoma FM for I make sure must me produce more. Miria, the remaining 16, how many better? As one makes you can export it. But the question is, exporting a semi working. How they compare the cost of production and what you fee with all the incentives you may want to provide? Now they compare the neighboring countries. What would you say? Can we stand that market? Do you even have the competitive advantage to produce it? And these are questions. I say it's so basic within economics. I say what CNDC for? They are not speaking to it well. Not mean so there is a demand for the empire toy madie. When you say madie kwa Ghana cry about 160 million. When you say T-Ron kwa cry about 200 million. And the ma a year ora Kate Yamon.
Yeah.
As the trade minister now. Or me so day a year limitation. Air parliament to restrict the import of these things. Now can local companies no and have the room to now no. Or at least I didn't know to buy to operate and produce more. Because if there is a marketer, now you are restricted them for Fabana. What mean these are some catch in parliament? Almost Ghana is a free market economy. Almost say we are so good.
I think I sided with the NDC, not entirely, but a section, because you were only giving the minister the power to determine which company must be allowed to import.
The substantial issue, no,
okay,
is what I'm dealing with. That Abraham Mode restrictions there to poultry, so and then Hanabisu never permit.
No, okay.
Only never permit. If Hanabisu could do it, I'd Kate someone into me. And again, No more can say. The final approval will come from the minister, but I'm going to put together a committee where importers,
possibly maybe
Guta, friend is saying AGI.
Mazuba Mremni.
Oh, my
landed.
AGI will come together. Yeah. So when they recommend to copy, T-Roll what to be? If Ghana, Ghana stock no, but that can enter munto. If you can import here, then the minister will provide the license. I don't know. Government say on money good for quiet demonstration. So no about the catcher say, oh, say I'm part there's a demand. It's always say, do really sincerely believe their ingenuity.
Okay.
Kofi, their stand on Katie Hammond sits well with our 24-hour economic plan.
Yeah.
Yes, I can say, and this is being no because in principle.
Yeah.
The Katie Hammond no any we came here. I've told you that in principle you're any argument.
I thought Force was against.
Please.
I shall speak as
so give me that respect. In principle, we are against it. Say, and I'm
right.
But when you have not produced to meet the local demand. Now the restrictions in the bar, what you do is that you want to bring in smuggling, and that will raise cost. And they say we will incentivize industries, businesses, to increase production within.
But Zuba, so the Okas will train what producers and why I stop.
No, you
because
see,
Nigeria took a deliberate attempt to stop it.
They had produced for 5 years. 5 years before they took that decision. And it was a Ghanaian with MPP background who was leading it.
Ghana was leading it, but they hadn't banned it for 5 years.
Please. This Keskine, I don't like this. When you speak and I allow you to speak, why is it that when I want to speak, you don't want me to
speak?
As it is.
They had produced for 5 years. It's by the time they embarked on the ban. No more, I bet say free. How many metric tons with their planting for food and job have you produced by way of cereals? Now buying the cars for the bear. Maize, how many tons have you produced? By the time you started, how many were you producing? Cereal, sorghum, bro, how many were you producing? You just don't get up and put up blanket programs. Near the Asama, Obikaya went to Manyanaka about Miaka phones. The Obikaya went to Manyanaka about phones near Philly, the Quepes, about Miaka. The bottom line is Keskine, this thing I don't like it.
Me too.
No,
I just when you speak 2020.
You attack our party, I allow you to go on. But when I speak, you just want to misbehave. I don't like that thing.
No.
I to misbehave say. That misbehave say. That misbehave say.
I didn't.
That coffee misbehave say. That coffee misbehave say.
When I speak, you interject.
No, that's okay.
Misbehave say. The program
now, who Kasano? Did I make a comment?
That what make you comment? What can I say?
I'm on the floor.
I was working to coffee. What is that?
I don't like this one. Please.
It's a show respect now.
Who senior?
That is a show respect now. It's a kaka
senior.
That something was how you saw. You don't expect me to give that scenario check.
Who is
that something was how you saw.
I don't appreciate.
What kind of thing is that?
I don't appreciate for full respect.
What kind of thing is that?
I don't appreciate for full respect.
When you
are speaking, I allow you to speak. When I'm speaking, you allow it to speak. I'm confused. You are condoning it. You are condoning it. You are condoning it. You are talking it. What will I say? So why you not disciplining the program?
That is why. You have to put it to him.
Which one is that?
I don't produce it for 5 years.
Na Bible na uko tusu. Bible na uko.
Let me go to.
Wo kase na ukati buko Bible na uko.
That's okay. Wrap up ni answer nko.
Me say. Aba we abamu ofun na wabuku. 24-hour economy ni na hope. And your mama is coming to affect every sector of the economy with good programs. And what we are saying is that you be provide the incentives. And that's the only way government can help private sector to grow. Provide incentives. Government is supposed to create enabling environment for people's businesses to flourish.
Yeah, fancy.
Eti di ebe ye say.
Yeah.
Why we here sika ebe mo sika. Why we light bill was ebe teso. Why am more tax as soon info so ebe ye free ho.
And that is the 24.
That is what we are going to do with the 24.
You look back at your record and make a judgment.
Thank you very much. We will indeed look at that and interrogate.